Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Matthew Rathbun, and in this video we're going to talk about how to take this, notes we scratched on a piece of paper, and get a HTML code so we can make it come alive on our website. So let's just jump in there.
All right, so here's what we're doing. We've decided we want something on our website. In this case, I'm using a WordPress website, and I want to use ChatGPT 4.0 or for Omni to create a form for me so that my clients can contact me from my website. So what I'm going to do is sketch down on a piece of paper what I'm looking for. In this case, it's very simple. I want the person's name, email address, phone number, home address. I want to know how I can help them, and I want the results of that form to be emailed to me at my email address. Now, this means that I don't need to know how to use HTML code. I do need to know that's what I want. Just like most things in ChatGPT, you still have to know what you want from it. And because my camera is not going to allow me to scan it here, I did take a picture of what I wrote down. I've added the picture from camera roll to my desktop, and I'm now going to move it over into ChatGPT and upload it. Now, again, this does require either a paid ChatGPT version or at this time 4.0, which is free to individuals to use. And so I'm going to make sure that I'm using the right protocol here. I am on 4.0, and then I'm going to type in a very simple command. Okay, so in those times when I am creating a prompt for ChatGPT, there's a lot of other things that I need to create. I need to tell it how the voice needs to be maintained and what the end result is. In this case, it's a very simple request. I want you to take what I wrote down and please act as a website designer. Remember, we were always telling ChatGPT what to emulate, and then take the sketch in the attachment, create a form for my website, and then provide the HTML code necessary. So with that simple command, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And it's going to create then, after it scans the attachment, the HTML code. And what I love about this is it's something that's very clear as to what I need to copy and what I'm going to need. Now, I don't need to know what all these different functions are and all these things are being created in HTML. I just need to be able to ask what it is, wait and be patient for it to complete its task. And then I'm going to go up here and click on copy code. Once I've got the code, I'm going to go over to my website. And again, I'm using WordPress, so I'm going to hit /HTML to tell it that I'm going to be embedding HTML code. And then I'm just going to copy the code that was provided to me from ChatGPT. I'm going to click on preview, and it's going to look like what the end result will be for that form on my website. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to go up here and hit either update or publish. Now, if you have never published the page, it's going to ask you to say publish. If you have done this before, or in this case, I am updating a test page, I'm just going to hit update. And once it's done that, it's going to take just a second to update. And then it's going to give me the option to go visit the actual website. So I'm going to hover over this button that has a little arrow out of the box and say view page. And it's going to take me to the web page where you can now see that I have this information here. Now, it does say the form is not secure. I haven't turned on the right protocols on the WordPress site because this is a test site for now to make that happen. But this is what your end user will see: a place to enter name, email address, phone number, address, and then how can we help you? And when I hit submit, the email is going to go right to my inbox. And really, it's that simple. Now, there's a variety of things that you could create on the pad paper. Your imagination is typically the limit of what AI and ChatGPT in this instance can do. And I would challenge you to give it a shot and see what you come up with. One of the other things that I would also test out real quick is sketch out something, even if you're not an artist. I'm certainly not. Upload it to ChatGPT and tell it you want to create an image from this with whatever protocols you want, photorealistic or a blog post header or whatever. See what it comes up with. You'll be pretty surprised. Thanks for watching.